In this film, we want to show how to safely de-energize the C30 Electric from the drive battery. Here is the car inside the barriers that signal that work is due to be carried out on the high voltage section in the car. When the vehicle is charging, a blue LED flashes on the dashboard. The following parts are required to safely de-energize the vehicle: rubber gloves, protective visor for the face, Cat 3 rated voltage tester, and warning signs and locking tools for the high voltage plug and for the charging connection in the grille. Always start by removing the wall connection, and then the connection in the car, at which point the blue LED goes out. Now the car will be prepared so that the steering lock and the parking lock are released. Turn the ignition to position 2, depress the foot brake, and activate the parking brake by pulling the control upwards. Move the gear selector to the neutral position. Check on the instrument panel that neutral position is selected and that the parking brake is activated. Remove the motor cover and also the cover over the 12-volt battery. Always perform a leakage test on the gloves before using them to make sure they don't have any holes or cracks, in which case they would not be protective. Put on the gloves and the protective face visor. Disconnect the high voltage cables with the orange clamp. This action means that an electrical safety coil automatically disconnects the current to the PDU. De-energize the car's 12-volt system too by removing the negative cable on the 12-volt battery. Switch off the ignition and remove the key. Use the voltage tester and take a reference measurement. First on the 12-volt battery, then in the 400-volt connection. And then once again on the 12-volt battery. Keep the gloves on and take a suitable tool to remove the PDU cover. Take a reference measurement once again using the voltage tester. To ensure that there is no voltage left in the capacitors, measure on the correct side of the fuses. This is so that a blown fuse will not give a misleading result. Check the voltage tester before and after this measurement. The high voltage cable must be locked to ensure that no one can inadvertently connect and energize the vehicle. It is also important to lock the charging connection so that no one accidentally connects and energizes the car. In addition to the barriers, a sign is also hung up in the engine compartment to indicate that a high voltage job is in progress. This makes it clear that only the supervisor is authorized to energize the vehicle. Now the car is de-energized and ready to be worked on.